Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, we are going to draw inspirations from the legendary Huntr's aesthetic, surfing fierce, fearless, and fabulously powerful hair combos that bring total slay mode to the runway. So in this video, you'll learn the hair combo tutorials inspired by Rumi, Zoe, and Myra here. So first one here, I'm going to do the Rumi's hair, and let me show you the steps. So for Rumi hair, first you're going to put on this long braids hair, and for the color, use this purple color with this hex code. You can copy it, and this hair toggle it into no bangs. Use the same purple color, and also this hair in here. But for this one, you need to use the adjustment feature. So the rotate, make it 38. The X and the positions in here, change the Z into 68 and the Y into around 54. Okay, and next, still on the updo here, you can also put on this updo here with the same color, and this is final look of Rumi's hair. Now let's move on to Zoe's, and this is the look of Zoe's hair, and let me show you how you can create this hair. So first, again, you can just use this updo here, and for Zoe just use a black color, then combine it with this short hair in here, but only use the bangs. And last one, click on the bangs category and put on this bangs in here, and then use the adjustment feature to move it up a little like this. And if you don't want to have these white lines at the top, here's the trick. You can go to the masculine hair category and put on this hairstyle, color it black. Now the lines will be covered. And last one, let's move on to Mira's hair. So this is for Mira's hair. Let's create this one. So first, you can go to the dressing room and put on this hair from the code items, remove the bangs, and use this pink color. This is the hex code, and now you can complete it with two more items to put on. The first one in here, you can put on this bangs, use the same color, and last one, go to the updo hair category and put on this Harley Quinn's hair, but only use the bangs. Change the color, and now Myra's hair look is done. So that's pretty much all. That's Huntr's hair combo for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.